Well, I'm Chris, and this is my TJ Wrangler half doors review video. So I have videos of doing everything on the Jeep. I recently put those half doors with those uppers, got a video on it. Go check it out. So I haven't driven it yet with the half doors. We're gonna go cruising around like that, let you know what I think. And in case you don't know, the Jeep used to have a hard top with full doors and then soft top with full doors, and this is its final form right here. All right, so I got some goodies for the Jeep, a spider web. We might put that on there, I'm not sure. I got a special package here and some special magnetic decals that we're going to stick on the Jeep, and I want you to give me your honest opinion on what you think about these. Can you guess what they are? So you're going to need a little practice closing the doors with the cloth uppers, but you can see that gasket, it does seal like it's supposed to, and these do not leak on either side. We had a whole bunch of rain in. So the only thing really goofy or odd about the cloth uppers is that is your glass or window, and you got to unzip it to make it come down. That's the only thing that's a bit awkward. I went to get some food last night and nobody laughed at me, but it is kind of weird when you gotta pull that down and then it just hangs. It's a little weird. So they do have double zippers on them, and they zip back up super easy. So let's take this for a ride and I'll let you know how it compares with the hard top and full doors. Let's check this thing out on the freeway. About 45 miles an hour, you start hearing a whole bunch of freaking road noise. The full doors lasted up to about 50, but man, I couldn't imagine daily driving a Jeep like this with half doors. It's just way too loud. The zippers jingle. It's pretty annoying, but we're about to take all this stuff off in a second here. So in another video, the uppers were a little bit darker, but sitting out in the sun, they're actually starting to even out. So we're gonna go ahead and take the whole top off, even the door surrounds, full convertible mode. Let's check it out. Check out these awesome glasses I got just to drive the Jeep in. What do you think? What do you guys think? Alright, so the hard part is actually figuring out where you're going to store all this stuff. Alright, so notice we're taking door surrounds off too. So yeah, this Jeep is really awesome now. Okay, so you see what that's looking like. Let's go take this for a little drive. Alright, so if you have a Jeep with hard top and full doors, you need to go in this direction immediately. There's nothing that compares to that feeling. Full safari mode, that freaking thing is crazy. I don't even want to talk about it. I just want to go drive it right now. All right, so everybody seems to love the Jeep. It's attracted some haters so far. Check out that freaking navigation. All right, so let's put those magnetic stickers on there, and I want y'all to let me know what you think. Now, this isn't permanent. It's just for fun when the weather cools down a little bit, just to get some reactions, because everybody notices the Jeep like this anyway. All right, so these were like $90. Check them out, magnetic stickers. Let's get one of these put on there. So I don't know how many of these they have, but I'll put the link in the description. All right, so within like 30 seconds, we have those things on there, and that looks freaking awesome. So I know it's not a Jurassic Park Jeep. Just Google the Jurassic Park Jeep. It does not look that cool at all. I never really cared for it. So I just put that on there to go cruising around, because people look at the Jeep and now they got something to either smile or get mad about. So I wasn't recording with the top down because you can't hear nothing. It's super loud, but super awesome at the same time. Let me know what you think about those stickers. This setup right here passes the test 100%. Never going back to anything other than this. All right, so that ride back, there was a lot of freaking eyes on this Jeep, mostly guys, so I guess putting them stickers on it kind of takes it from a chick magnet to a dick magnet. But so the mosquitoes are out here real bad. I got one more thing for the Jeep. Let's check that out. All right, so we were going to put the spider web on, but the sun actually went down. And check this out. Really? Are you freaking serious? Well, when you get a vehicle that's this old with a dash like that, you want something to protect the dash, but why not do it in style? So I've never used one of these before. Maybe they're too big. Maybe we'll just put them on the outside. So it was the first time using those. I don't know if I can adjust them, or I'm gonna have to get a smaller size, but looking pretty nice. Well, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.